Welcome to Gyan Academy, the ultimate destination for real-world DAX and Power BI interview challenges. In today's video, we will fix one of the most common reporting headaches: how to build a custom fiscal year in Power BI using only DAX. If your company's fiscal year doesn't start in January, this trick is for you. No Power Query needed, no YAM language, just clean DAX. So this is a sample data set of sales table. In that we have a date and then we have a sales column. Now we will create a calendar table and then build fiscal columns. So let me go into table tools and I'll say new table. I will name as calendar is equal to, I'll say add columns. Into that I will say calendar, on that date. So date I want to start from 2023, 4th, which is April month, and day is 1, comma, I'll use again date format. I'll say as 2025, comma, which is my month, that is March 3rd, and then 31st is the day. I'll close this. Then I will name the columns whichever I want in my calendar table. So name 1 I'll say as year, comma, I'll use year as a format and I'll say date, comma, one more name I will add as month number, comma, I want month as the format, and then I'll say again same date, right, comma, one more name I want which is month. Here again I'll use format as my form. Into that I want date, comma, so month I want in MMM format. I'll close the bracket, comma, one more name I want as year, month, comma, format, into bracket I'll say date, comma, I want here as YYY hyphen MMM, and then I'll close the bracket. So here is a date, year, month number, then month, then year of month. Now let me explain you once again our calendar table measure. So if you see, calendar creates a date range from April 1, 2023 to March 31st, 2025. Add column adds extra metadata for month or year. Year month is useful for the access visuals like line charts. So it's a simple thing I have created. Just I have given the names of the columns in my calendar table. Now the next step is we will add one more column called as fiscal year. So the DAX measure for fiscal year is fiscal underscore year is equal to, now I will use if statement. If month of calendar date is greater than or equal to 4, comma, result if true. You can see here the parameters it is showing you. Year of calendar date and I'll just give a space for this, and write year of calendar date plus 1 comma 2. I'll close this. Else, this is the else part, result if false, which is nothing but else part. Else year of calendar date minus 1, and I'll give a hyphen, which is nothing but creating a space, and write year of calendar date comma. Now I'll just finish my expression and I'll press enter. So now you can see I have got the fiscal year. Okay, let me explain you once again this measure. It is very simple. Fiscal year, we have named the column name is equal to if the calendar date is greater than 4, which means it will start in April. Then fiscal year is equals to current year minus next year, which is 2023 and 24. Okay. Else, in this else part, use previous year minus current year. So you can see here we are adding plus 1 if it starts from April, else we are subtracting from the current month. And this 2, what you are seeing, is nothing but the last 2 digits of your fiscal year. Now I will show you one more new column to add as fiscal month is equal to mod of month of calendar date, close the bracket, plus 8 comma 12 plus 1. So if you see here, it is showing me 10th for January month, right? And if you see here for April, it is showing me 1. Now what is the meaning of this? How this works? So here, this what you are saying, it is reordering my table in such a way that April should come as a first month and March should come as a 12th month, because my fiscal year is starting from April, right? So this plus 8 comma 12 plus 1 is shifting from 8 places. Now just connect your sales date table to the calendar date table in a relationship, right? So this is how you get a calendar table for fiscal year which is not starting from January. So my fiscal year in this problem statement is starting from April. So it depends upon the companies where you are working. Now here is a tip for you. Make sure your visuals use calendar tables date, not sales table date for any time-based logic. Always control the fiscal logic in your calendar table. This keeps your model cleaner and avoids writing custom logic inside every measure. And that's it. You have built a fully functional fiscal year system using only DAX. No Power Query magic needed. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more Power BI tricks. Drop your doubts in the comments. I'll reply personally. Thank you.